Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to deshell an egg in just 5 seconds. This is definitely a very useful hack when you need to deshell eggs in huge quantity. So let's get started. Heat sufficient amount of water in the saucepan. Add in 4 eggs gently. Add a teaspoon of salt. Let this boil in high flame for 10 minutes. It's nicely boiling now. It's been 10 minutes now, so off the flame and remove the eggs and add them directly to a bowl of cold water added with some ice cubes. Let this rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so remove from the cold water and hold it this way and give it a nice hard bang. Then roll it to and fro. Now the eggshell is cracked into 2 halves. It's now very easy to deshell the eggs without damaging the egg. I'm sure this is a very useful hack. Do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.
How to sharpen a blunt knife. You can always go with this method when you don't have a knife sharpener at home. You can sharpen your knife in just 2 minutes and it's a very easy method. So let's get started. Today I have a very blunt knife. The edges are very thick. Let's now cut a tomato and check on its sharpness. See, it's very hard to run through the tomato. Let's now go and sharpen this knife. Today I've taken an egg. We're going to sharpen our knife using this egg. So with your knife at a 20-degree angle, slowly draw the knife down and across the egg in a smooth motion, starting from the heel and finishing at the tip. Repeat the same for the reverse side. Make sure not to go forward and backward for the same side. Repeat this for 10 times. By then your knife should be super sharp. Now I'm done with sharpening my knife, so let's go and test the sharpness of the knife. I have another tomato. Let's now cut the tomato and check. The knife cuts a tomato in just no time. Very sharp and be very careful with the sharp knife. Very easy and a very quick method to sharpen a knife when you don't have a knife sharpener. All you need is an egg at home. So do try this knife sharpening trick at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.